Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best Jellyfish Lamps is probably one of the most mesmerizing and calming additions you can make to your adult living space, transforming any room into an underwater oasis of tranquility and wonder. Imagine the gentle, ethereal dance of realistic jellyfish, illuminated by a spectrum of soothing colors, creating a dynamic visual spectacle that captivates the eye and soothes the soul, making it a perfect centerpiece for relaxation, meditation, or simply adding a unique touch of ambient artistry to your home decor. Number 5. COLORLIFE Electric Jellyfish Tank Lamp. Introducing a unique addition to your space. This lamp creates a captivating ambience with its color-changing LED lights, perfect for any room. Watch as realistic jellyfish gracefully float and mesmerize you. Their tendrils trail behind them, creating a truly lifelike effect. Designed with a whisper-quiet pump, this lamp ensures a peaceful environment. You can also fix your favorite color with a simple button press. Customize your experience with 3 different water flow speeds. Control how fast the jellyfish move to suit your preference for relaxation or focus. An ideal gift for kids and adults alike. It's perfect for home decor, as a nightlight, or to help reduce stress and promote relaxation. We're confident you'll love this jellyfish aquarium. That's why we offer a 1-year warranty for your complete peace of mind. What we like. This lamp offers a whisper-quiet operation, perfect for creating a tranquil environment. You can also fix the color without needing the remote, and it has an automatic shut-off function. If you are looking for a reliable and user-friendly option that prioritizes a peaceful atmosphere, this is a great choice. What people say. The jellyfish are very realistic and mesmerizing to watch. The lighting effects are beautiful and create a relaxing ambience. The lamp is easy to set up and operate. Number 4. COLORLIFE Cool Electric Jellyfish Lamp. Bring the serene beauty of the ocean right to your space. This device creates a mesmerizing display of moving jellyfish and lights, offering a truly captivating visual experience. Elevate your music with a built-in Bluetooth speaker. Enjoy superb sound quality while watching the graceful dance of jellyfish, creating a stunning ambience that perfectly complements your tunes. Choose from 3 different water flow speeds to control the jellyfish movement. Personalize your environment for sleeping, relaxing, working, or studying with a tranquil motion that suits your needs. Easily connect your devices with the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology for a stable, wireless signal up to 33 feet. Experience deep bass and crystal clear highs from its powerful 5W speaker. This smart device combines a jellyfish lamp, Bluetooth speaker, white noise machine, and nursery night light. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for decorating and unwinding. Looking for a unique gift? This lamp is ideal for both kids and adults, providing a calming and visually stunning experience that doubles as a functional and beautiful decor piece. We stand by our product's quality, having designed and manufactured every part in our own factory. Enjoy complete peace of mind with our 1-year warranty. What we like. This option is an all-in-one entertainment and relaxation device, combining a jellyfish lamp with a Bluetooth speaker and white noise machine. It elevates your music experience with a mesmerizing jellyfish display. If you love combining your audio with visual ambience, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The realistic floating jellyfish paired with the smooth color-changing lights creates such a calming, relaxing atmosphere. The lamp is quiet, easy to set up, and looks great in any room. The motor runs quietly so it doesn't distract, and it's super easy to set up right out of the box. Number 3. Lightahead Large LED Jellyfish Lamp. Introducing the original sensory aquarium, a pioneer in calming and therapeutic experiences since 2007. Trust the brand that set the standard for unparalleled relaxation. Experience a larger, brighter, and more immersive sensory lamp than most others on the market. Its quiet, lifelike jellyfish movements and 18 color-changing lights create a tranquil deep-sea ambience. This lamp is designed to help reduce stress and anxiety. Its mesmerizing display is great for children, adults, and seniors with special needs, including autism and ADHD, potentially improving mood and well-being. Enjoy fascinating color-changing effects with 18 vibrant LEDs and a quiet motor. The realistic jellyfish movements, controlled by a remote, create a captivating and customizable experience. Use it as a night light to create a calming bedtime story setting for children. The gentle, rhythmic movement and colorful lights help create a soothing environment for sleep. This lamp is more than just a decoration, it's a conversation piece and an ideal gift for any occasion. Perfect for homes, offices, and institutions, it adds character and provides a unique sensory experience. Meticulously crafted for a serene, calming, and relaxing environment, this sensory lamp stands apart. It's the only original sensory aquarium lamp on the planet, offering a truly unique and therapeutic experience. What we like. This is the largest jellyfish lamp on the market, featuring 18 vibrant LEDs and a remote control for easy customization. Its meticulous crafting ensures a serene and calming environment, ideal for stress and anxiety relief. If you are seeking a premium sensory experience with maximum visual impact and therapeutic benefits, this is the one to consider. What people say. Lighting is bright but subtle with a nice amount of different colors. They transition from color to color smoothly. Quality of the tube and overall unit looks more expensive than it is, especially after assembly. The unit is next to silent. The lighting is beautiful. The jellyfish come to life with almost a 3D effect and glow beautiful colors. Number 2. Nuvi Folding Umbrella Hat. Tired of juggling your umbrella? Introducing a revolutionary hat that keeps you shaded, no matter the activity. Enjoy ultimate convenience and protection. Whether you're fishing, golfing, or enjoying a day at the beach, this hat is your ideal companion. It's designed for comfort and practicality for adults and kids alike. Don't let its size fool you. This umbrella hat folds down easily, making it perfect for travel and storage. Take it anywhere your adventures lead you. Crafted with quality materials, it offers excellent protection from sun and rain. You can count on it to keep you dry and shaded through all your outdoor events. Available for both adults and children, it's a fun and functional accessory for everyone. Add a touch of novelty to your next party or outdoor gathering. What we like. This product is a unique umbrella hat, designed for both adults and kids. It offers hands-free protection from the sun or rain. If you enjoy outdoor activities like fishing or attending parties and want to stay comfortable without holding an umbrella, this is a fun and practical accessory. What people say. Unlike a regular hat, there's a breeze across the top of your head, and the shadow on both your head and shoulders makes a heck of a lot more difference than I would have guessed. It is a perfect size, lightweight, and good quality material. This umbrella works, keeps my head and shoulders dry and my hands free for walking or jogging. Number 1. Jellyfish Lamp Bluetooth Speaker with White Noise. Introducing a unique jellyfish lamp that doubles as a Bluetooth speaker. It creates a magical ambience with soothing colors and dynamic lighting modes. Choose from 7 calming colors and 4 distinct lighting modes, including static, gradient, music sync, and color cycle. Immerse your space in a tranquil oceanic glow. Stream your favorite music with its hi-fi stereo Bluetooth speaker. You can also unwind with 3 built-in white noise tracks to help you relax or fall asleep. Enjoy up to 10 hours of cordless use on a single charge. Easily control its functions, including lighting and music, using the buttons or the included remote. Customize the jellyfish movement with 3 water flow modes. Its quiet motor ensures a peaceful environment, perfect for relaxation or study. The seamless, leak-proof design provides worry-free operation. Watch the lifelike jellyfish swim gracefully without any mess. This versatile lamp is more than just decor, it's a relaxing tool and a statement piece. It makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like. This lamp boasts 7 soothing colors and 4 lighting modes, creating a magical ambience. It also features a Bluetooth 5.1 speaker and a rechargeable battery for cordless use. If you desire a versatile and portable lighting solution that can also play your favorite tunes and offers long-lasting use, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The slow change of colors is soothing and visually appealing. I find myself watching the graceful movement of the jellyfish quite frequently. It is good for stress relief during exams or times of heavy homework. It casts a decent amount of light that allows me to see around the room, but does not keep me awake. It is very user-friendly, with only 2 big buttons, one to alter the color cycle and one to turn it on and off. Perfect for a child or a grandparent to operate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.